Welcome back to our channel. Hope you're having a great time. So here I'm back with another kind of series upon a great number of requests. So I'm hearing a lot of requests that many of you are thinking in your mother tongue, that is Telugu, and not able to convert or translate it to your English and professional language. So for that, this is our most important attempt that makes you even more proficient for your interview skills or else preparation for resume making or any kind of skills. This kind of attempt can make you even more interview ready or market ready, so that it can improve your language in any aspect of your life. So without any delay, let's get started. So here we have written like 6 sentences of your mother tongue, that is a common mother tongue, especially Telugu. So I'll be telling the Telugu word first of all and giving the meaning, and then I will translate it into the English language. So let's get started. So when we see the first one, Nenu interview ki veltunnanu, that means I am going to interview. So this can be translated in such a way that I am going to interview. So in this way, Nenu means I, Veltunnanu means going to, interview is generally the true translation. So in this way, we have to translate each and everything that is provided in the sentence. For example, let's check that condition for the second sentence that we have translated just now. Ninna naku recruiter call chesaru. I have received a call from recruiter yesterday. So the check is like we have to make sure that every sentence is translated in the same mode. I have. Naku means I have received. Received a call means call chesaru. Like from which source? Recruiter. From recruiter. Ninna means yesterday. So make sure that this condition is being applied for each and every sentence that you are translating into professional English. So let's see with that kind of condition with the other sentence that we have enlisted over the board. So next sentence, Naku interview chala baga ayindi. So my interview has been done successfully. So my interview, Naku interview has been done successfully. Chala baga ayindi. You can even translate baga ayindi to it is done fairly. I have done a fair amount of performance in the interview. So in that way you can translate, but make sure that you apply and successfully execute the condition of translating each and every sentence of your mother tongue to professional English. That is really important. So let's see with the fourth sentence that we do have. Nenu anni prasnalaku samadhanam ichchanu. For time being, we have written all the English translations for all the mother tongue sentences that we do have. So let's see one by one how we have translated. So coming to the fourth sentence, Nenu anni prasnalaku samadhanam ichchanu. I have answered each and every question. So here, Nenu anni can be translated as I have answered. Samadhanam is answered, translated to answered. Each and every question. Anni prasnalaku can be given as each and every question. So here I have answered multiple questions can also be another kind of translation. You can give it to your this sentence. So that can be another sample answer as well as a translation. So let's see the fifth question. Naku chala santruptiga undi. I am feeling satisfied. So the exact meaning for satisfaction is santrupti in mother tongue, that is Telugu. So that is the way I am feeling satisfied is the true translation for Naku chala santruptiga undi. Let's see the last sentence. Nannu recruiter chala kashtataramaina prasnalu adigaru. Recruiter has asked me difficult questions or complex questions. So in this way, try to analyze the meanings of the words that are really new for you, and so that you can apply those new words, and also those new words and the meanings is something that every professional need to have that kind of learning hunger towards, and with this learning hunger only everybody can succeed in learning certain kind of language. I hope you had a great time learning the translation series, and this translation series will be continued with another kind of sentences as well, and we'll see you back in another kind of video. And drop your comments and suggestions in the comment section so that we can see and let us tailor according to your suggestions in the upcoming videos. Bye bye, and see you